Hi everyone, welcome to iRing. Here you will find all the information about our products. Okay, how do I reuse iRing? What's really excellent about the iRing is that it can be reusable over 100 times. The stick's adhesive on the iRing can detach anytime. It leaves no residue, so the iRing can be reattached again and again. To remove the ring, simply use the plastic tool, and you want to go in the corner and you want to gently pry it off. There you go, easy. As you can see, there's no residue. To put this back on again, what I recommend is get a wet tissue or a damp cloth and just wipe it off. So you're going to wipe off all the dirt and oil. And when you feel like the adhesive is a little weak, what I recommend you to do is get some warm water, go to a sink, turn on some warm water, and just run it through on the water, like that. And then just let it air dry. And once it's completely dry, you can attach it back on. To show you, let's say we already wiped the dirt off, the oil's off, and this iRing has been washed in the warm water to reactivate the adhesive. And then we're just going to stick it on where we like. Push it on, make sure it's on firmly. There you go, it's all done. This is iRing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.